Thukuru cia kothi cia moko guku bururi-ini ni huritwo njeki na kigina gia ciringi mbirioni 3 ni thirikari ya Jerumani hari kugacirithia mathomo thukuru-ini ici. Mbeca ici igukorwo igiteithiriria kugacirithia mathomo ma engineering mathukuru-ini maya na kiaria thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Kiambu Institute of Technology. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ayanite mukana kuri mathukuru maria mekugairwo mbeca ici.
Hii ni mali ya umma na mumeanza kujionea yale ambayo yanatendeka kwa wale ambao wako na mkono mrefu. Kwa hivyo mjue ya kwamba mko na jukumu ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba hii pesa itatumika kwa mijengo na kulete vifaa ambavyo vitasaidia hawa vijana, sio ya kwenda kununua mashamba kwingine.
Thukuru iria ikwamba kugunika na mbia ici gicunje kia mbere ni thukuru uyu wa Kiambu na thukuru wa Thika Technical, na kio gicunje gia keri giguteithiriria thukuru cia githirikari iria ni hamwe na Kitale iria yoikaine na mathomo ma kothi cia miako.
Targeted institutions include Thika Technical Training Institute, the Nairobi Technical Training Institute, and indeed this institute, the Kiambu Institute of Science and Technology, which are expected to benefit in the areas of automotive, engineering, bodybuilding and welding, as well as industrial megatronics.
Uhuru ni oritie mbeu njithi kuoya kamweke gaka na guthomera kothi ici iria ni uguni munene hari mundu kwiyandika. Guku nake president wa Jerumani Frank Walter Steinmeier akiuga uteithio uyu ni unyitaniri mwega uria uriho gatagati ga Kenya na Jerumani, undu uria nake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto oigite ni ukuguna mbeu njithi na njira nene.
This foundation stone symbolizes the start of the construction of a new building, but more importantly, it symbolizes the beginning of a new and robust partnership between our two countries. A partnership which aims at jointly tackling one of the greatest challenges Kenya is facing today, creating gainful employment for young people.
Today we are proud that under your leadership and in 7 years of the Jubilee administration, you have increased enrollment in our TVET by 300%. It is no mean achievement, both in terms of development of infrastructure, but also in student numbers.
Mekwaragia hindi ya kuigirira ihiga ria muthingi thukuru-ini wa Kiambu Institute of Technology wa gwaka ceceni ya kiriu ya mathomo ma engineering. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Geto Waithira wa Kihara.